Hi everyone. In this module, we are going to discuss sorting algorithms. So far in this course, we have discussed different data structures and algorithms, and we discussed the fact that some of these data structures or algorithms might require a sorted collection as an input. We already discussed two different types of sorts. First, when we covered binary search trees, we discussed the fact that in-order traversals of a BST is basically a sorted collection. Second, we discussed when we covered heaps and priority queues, something called the heap sort. In this set of videos, we are going to discuss three different types of basic sorts, which are called insertion sort, bubble sort, and selection sort. And then we are going to discuss non-quadratic sorts, which include merge sort, quick sort, and shell sort. There are literally hundreds of different types of sort, so we cannot discuss them in the course, but the ones we discuss are the most frequently used and are more easier to visualize or understand. So let's get started discussing what exactly is the sort problem. So the problem of the sort requires as input an unordered collection, which is a collection that has random inputs. This collection is of size n, so we know what is the size of the collection. And as output, we require an ordered collection such that there is some inherent ordering in all the elements in that collection. So if we are performing an ascended sort, basically all the values in our output will be either less than or equal to adjacent elements. While if we are performing a descending sort, the elements will be ordered from larger to smaller values. Now, this collection could be anything, like it could be a collection of not only integers, but it could be of strings where you define how the ordering will look like. Maybe the ordering might be dependent on the length of the strings. Maybe it is lexicographical, which is it's dependent on the alphabet of the string. It could also be an ordering of objects. So let's say if I'm modeling a person, so maybe I want to order everybody by height. So in that case, we might be using some sort of comparisons. Like most of the languages, like Java has a comparator library or an interface which you can overload. Similarly, C++ has again, like you can overload the equal to or less than equal to or greater than equal to operators when you are comparing two different objects. So we'll start with discussing the basic sorts, which is in the next video, we'll start with our first sort, which is called selection sort.